Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to be talking about asking and answering questions based upon what we read in a text selection. We ask and answer questions based upon what we read to help us understand what we are reading. One way to do that is by saying, I wonder. I wonder what will happen in this story. Today, we are going to read the story, A Tale of a Tale. As we read, I want you to ask questions. We are going to update our chart as we read. Let's begin reading today. Long ago, there lived a beaver named Ray. Ray was quite proud of his nice, thick tail. He spent a lot of time brushing and fluffing it. I have a splendid tail, Ray bragged. It is the best tail that an animal can have. Let's stop right there and ask a question. Our story is titled A Tale of a Tale. Ray is proud of his tail. I wonder what will happen to Ray's tail. I am going to write that on our chart. Today, I want you to follow along with me. The question is, I wonder what will happen to Ray's tail. As we read our story, I'm sure we will find out. Let's flip over to the next page. One fine day in April, Ray went out. It is a nice day to chop wood, he said. So Ray got his axe. He chopped a big tree 8 times. The big tree swayed this way and that. Then it fell on top of Ray's tail. Ray tugged and tugged at his tail. He gasped when he pulled it out. Oh, wow. I think we just discovered our first answer. Remember, we said, I wonder what will happen to Ray's tail. We found our answer. The giant tree that Ray was chopping down fell on his tail. You know what? That makes me wonder, what will Ray do now with his tail? Because guess what? It was flattened by the tree. I wonder, what will Ray do now with his flattened tail? Let's keep reading. I think we're going to discover another answer. My tail is flat, Ray wailed. The sun looked down at him. She could tell that Ray felt bad about his tail. A flat tail will help you swim fast, the sun exclaimed. A flat tail can signal too. Just slap it on the water. That made Ray happy. I have a special tail, yelled Ray. Then Ray slapped his tail on the water. Slap, slap, slap. His pals came running. Do you want our help? They asked. I want to give you a ride, said Ray. Hop on my tail. I will carry you across the lake. And Happy Ray swam off as fast as a fish. You know what? I think that helps us discover our next answer. We said, I wonder what will Ray do now with his flattened tail? We found lots of different answers. Ray used his tail to send signals, and he also used his tail to carry his friends across the lake. Wow. You know what? When we ask questions about the information that we are reading, we find answers. That's what great readers do when they are reading a selection that they've never read before. Congratulations, friend. You are all done today. Remember, the next time you read a story, ask questions, because when you ask questions, you find answers. Have a great day. I'll see you soon.